Are you looking for a new Web3 wallet, or maybe you're just tired of mass crashing on you every single second? Let's get into two new crypto wallets that you might want to switch over to after watching this video.
This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Block Wallet. It is a true custodial Web3 wallet and just insane amount of reviews, over 156 reviews with all pretty much 5-star reviews. So that's good to see. It is one of the best, and it is on all the major blockchains from Arbitrum to Avalanche, Polygon, Ethereum, all the major ones. And as you can see, they have it all. You can swap, you can add different chains, you can buy crypto, and you can bridge. Self-custody is your right and you get more. So they have their privacy and protection of your identity. With so many things evading our privacy, it's nice to see a wallet who's actually giving back some more privacy to just our everyday lives. I mean, the government surveilling us, we have our ISP surveilling us, we have so many people just wanting to get as much data on us as possible. So that's why a block wallet is a great way to just have your own privacy, have open source regular audits to the block wallet so they know what is going on. Right to security, protection from hacks, and supporting hardware wallets. So that is very nice because no one likes to lose their money, and so they have allowance revoked, so you don't have to go to a third-party wallet to do that. If we compare it to other wallets, you can see we have MetaMask, we have Trust, we have all of the different ones, and they don't even compare the block wallet. The major things that they don't even compare with open source, quick network finding, fail over systems, and no tracking. So it's quite the level up from traditional wallets. And you start with Block Wallet and you won't ever go back. They have their little blog here and frequently asked questions. So you definitely want to stay ahead of the curve when new wallets are coming out, because this wallet is a game changer for the Web3 space. Well, let's get into the second wallet on the list. There is no particular order. They both have their great benefits. So let's check out Frame wallet now. Farme.eth is a powerhouse of a wallet. It is for the desktop, but it allows you to manage multiple wallets at the same time to see all of your wallets at a glance. As you can see, quite a bit of information going on. They have all sorts of different chains that you can go on, but I love that they have omni-chain routing. It reminds me of like the Matrix. I mean, it's very that kind of feel to it. It is open source and dedicated security, but check this out. They have some amazing reviews. And look at this, Wake Up Neo. That's what I said. It reminds me of the Matrix totally. Even the fonts and everything. But it says, check out, if you hop off the standard browser wallet experience, I've adjusted, and through loving the Frame experience, no more extra clicks for network switches. You get a better idea of all your funds at a glance. Person's arguably deep into DeFi, and haven't used MetaMask ever since switching to Frame. So lots of people moving from the traditional boring MetaMask wallet to more of a really hands-on approach that really gives you a deep dive look at what everything is doing with your crypto. So as you can see here, gas fee is too high. You might want to want live monitoring of CX costs. Let me introduce you to Frame. So it shows you the actual cost of the different blockchains, so you can get in at a cheap cost for crypto for doing your transactions. So very cool stuff. They have a lot going on. I'm very excited about both of these wallets. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys use either of these wallets? What's your favorite wallet? I've used MetaMask in the past, but I've used Phantom, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, all of the different ones. So let me know in the comments below. In summary, both wallets are amazing. If you are looking for a wallet that is on the Chrome or as a browser extension, then Block Wallet might be for you. If you are looking for a Windows-based multi-wallet manager, then the Frame.sh is going to be for you. Both wallets are amazing, but one is more for a not fast experience, but more of a Chrome-based experience where it's an extension versus a actual program that is meant to manage all your wallets. So the choice is yours. There's no right or wrong answer. Just use what's best for you. That's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.